So Dom, you told me a little bit about this beautiful sambuca you made. What spices were in this again?
Aniseed and star anise.
So it's infused with aniseed and star anise. How do you actually draw out the flavour?
It's sitting in alcohol. The alcohol actually strips out all the flavour from the aniseed and star anise.
Oh wow! So you're kind of getting this beautiful star anise, aniseed kind of flavour, right, into this drink. So what I'm thinking, like what I'm feeling, is a kind of a nice cuminy flavoured tomatoey salmon, right? Now I've grabbed some of this amazing Huon aquaculture salmon, right? A fantastic piece of salmon, of course, just like your cellos, Australian grown and Australian made by an Australian family. Wow. So we're just going to put this down. I like putting it at a medium to low heat, right? Medium to low heat, and then bring up the heat a little bit. What happens now is the salmon will actually cook off and that skin will get a little bit extra crispy. So guys, I'm going to give back in a couple of minutes. I'm going to show you how we're going to finish this off with the beautiful Sambuca cello. So guys, we're making this beautiful salmon dish. Now, if you have a look at, see the crispy skin?
Yes.
Dom, see how that's kind of come really, really nice and crispy? Yeah. And that's by taking it from a medium to low and then bringing it up nice and high. You can see how hot this is. Yep. Can you do me a favor? Grab these onions and these jalapenos and throw them into that oil. Just be really careful. Go for it.
The oil?
Yeah, right into that oil. We're going to get that chili kind of cooking up beautifully, right? The whole idea is we're going to get that chili, that onion all mixed through the oil. You can smell it, right? Wait until I add your cello in it. It's going to be the best, right? So we've got some beautiful heirloom tomatoes. We're going to put them in there as well. Give that a couple of seconds, just tossing through. A little bit of the cumin, right? Just beautiful, fresh, dried cumin. Just throw that in there. Now, you ready for the fun part?
Yeah.
This is the exciting part. This is how you at home are going to look amazing. So you told me there was star anise in this and there was...
Aniseed. Aniseed,
right? So I've got this beautiful flavour. Now, you told me a little secret about this. This isn't just an Australian-made gorgeous sambuca. This is now what? Internationally renowned?
Internationally came second in the world at London by 1 point.
Second, that doesn't matter. Like, you came second in the world, right?
That's right.
A local Aussie guy making some beautiful sambuca came second in the world. Now, you ready for this?
Yep.
So, what we're going to do is we're going to grab some of this beautiful sambuca. We toss it through. We made sure the cumin started to roast. The jalapenos came out. We're going to put in a little bit of this sambuca, and we're going to shake it off.
Wow.
You're going to look pretty good, right? There you go, right? A little bit more sambuca, and you start to dance a little bit.
Smells unbelievable.
You can smell that aniseed coming out.
Oh, wow.
You're going to turn off the heat, right? You can see the tomatoes all starting to cook up. You've got the salmon all there, right? Ready to rock and roll. Now, we've got this beautiful flavour in the sambuca. We've got the cumin, we've got the tomato. We need to try and smoothen that out a little bit, right?
Yeah.
Now, in one of my other videos, what I've got is I've made up a beautiful mayonnaise. And then, like you use all your fresh ingredients, we're going to make our mayonnaise from scratch, right? Just eggs, vinegar, mustard, oil. That's it.
Wow.
So, we're going to get some of this mayonnaise. And we're just going to place it onto the plate, just a little bit. We don't need too much, right? And we're just going to smear it across. Okay? Then we're going to get some of the beautiful salmon.
Tastes awesome.
Tastes cool. Put that there, like so. And now, toss through the tomato. Smell. The best part, right? Can you do me a favour? Grab some salt. Put some salt over those tomatoes. We've already seasoned the fish. We've got to season the tomato too. Give it a good grinding. There we go. A little bit of pepper. And now we're going to grab this gorgeous tomato, onion, jalapeno, and just let it fall all over that salmon.
It looks incredible.
Right? It's pretty cool, right? Now remember, just like I have good friends doing some good food, cooking and food and drinking is all done better with a couple of good mates.
Definitely.
You hungry?
I'm starving.
Let's do this.